Here are some questions and answers about the Kargil War. Q. What was the main cause of the Kargil War? A. Pakistan's infiltration into Indian administered Kashmir. Q. Who initiated the war? A. Pakistan, led by General Pervez Musharraf. Q. What was the objective of Pakistan's infiltration? A. To capture strategic locations in Kargil and cut off the Srinagar-Leh highway. Q. How did India respond to the infiltration? A. India detected the infiltration and responded with military force. Q. What was the outcome of the war? A. India emerged victorious and Pakistan withdrew from Kargil. Q. What were the consequences of the war? A. Significant casualties, economic costs, and strained India-Pakistan relations. Q. What was the international response to the war? A. The international community, particularly the US, pressured Pakistan to withdraw. Q. What is the current status of India-Pakistan relations? A. Relations remain strained, with ongoing tensions and diplomatic efforts. Q. What lessons can be learned from the Kargil War? A. The importance of diplomacy, dialogue, and understanding in resolving conflicts. Q. How has the war impacted the Kashmir dispute? A. The war highlighted the need for a resolution to the Kashmir dispute. Q. What was the role of the Pakistani military in the Kargil War? A. The Pakistani military, led by General Pervez Musharraf, planned and executed the infiltration into Indian administered Kashmir. Q. How did the Indian military respond to the infiltration? A. The Indian military launched a series of operations, including air strikes and ground assaults, to evict the Pakistani troops. Q. What was the impact of the war on civilians in the region? A. The war resulted in significant displacement and human rights abuses against civilians in the region. Q. How did the international community respond to the war? A. The international community, including the US, China, and Europe, urged restraint and a peaceful resolution to the conflict. Q. What was the role of diplomacy in ending the war? A. Diplomatic efforts, particularly by the US, played a crucial role in pressuring Pakistan to withdraw its troops. Q. What are the ongoing issues between India and Pakistan? A. Ongoing issues include the Kashmir dispute, terrorism, and border tensions. Q. How has the war impacted India's military modernization? A. The war accelerated India's military modernization efforts, particularly in the areas of logistics and surveillance. Q. What is the significance of the Kargil War in Indian history? A. The war marked a significant turning point in India's military history and underscored the need for self-reliance. Q. How has the war impacted Pakistan's internal politics? A. The war had significant implications for Pakistan's internal politics, including the rise of General Pervez Musharraf. Q. What was the significance of the Batalik sector in the war? A. The Batalik sector was a key location where Indian troops engaged Pakistani forces and secured a decisive victory. Q. How did the war affect India-Pakistan relations? A. The war significantly strained India-Pakistan relations, leading to increased tensions and diplomatic efforts. Q. What was the international reaction to Pakistan's infiltration? A. The international community widely condemned Pakistan's infiltration and urged withdrawal. Q. How did the war impact the global war on terror? A. The war highlighted the threat of terrorism in the region and the need for international cooperation. Q. What were the economic costs of the war? A. Estimates suggest the war cost India around 5,000 crores rupees, approximately 700 million US dollars. Q. How did the war affect the people of Kashmir? A. The war resulted in significant displacement, human rights abuses, and economic hardship for the people of Kashmir. Q. What lessons can be learned from the Kargil War? A. Lessons include the importance of diplomacy, military preparedness, and regional cooperation. Q. How has the war shaped India's national security policy? A. The war led to significant reforms in India's national security policy, including enhanced military modernization.